Hello, students. I hope you all are good. And are you doing your work regularly? Yes, I think so that you all are completing your work in your notebooks as well as in your textbooks, right? So, today is your another maths class, right? Before starting the chapter, I would like to do a small activity with you all to understand that what is our today's topic. Okay, children? See, children. Wow. See, what are these? Yes, these are guavas. And these guavas are taken from my garden. I have taken these guavas from my garden, and these are really very fresh. So let's do the activity. There are guavas. How many guavas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 guavas are here. So I am giving 1, 2, 3 and 4 guavas to my cousin. Okay, I am giving these 4 guavas to my cousin. Okay, I have given it. Now, how many guavas are left? Just tell me. So, we have to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So, how do we find out that the guavas are 9 only? Huh? How do we find? Yes, we have found it through the method of subtraction or method of takeaway, right? So, subtraction is our today's topic. Okay, so let's study about it. So, we can say that subtraction is to take away something from something, right? Like if I said that I was having how many guavas? 13, and I have given to my cousin how many guavas? 4. So how many are left? So we can do one thing, that we can do like this. We can draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and we can simply cut 4 lines out of this, because I have given 4 guavas to my cousin. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can write here 9. Is it okay? Or we can say that the value of something is going to reduce by a given amount is also known as subtraction, right? So for subtraction, we have also taken some terms, right? We have taken some terms like the bigger number from which we are subtracting the smaller number is known as minuend, and the smaller number which we are subtracting from the bigger number is known as subtrahend, and the answer which we are getting, that is known as the difference, right? ठीक है, तो सबसे बड़ा नंबर जिससे हमें किसी छोटे नंबर को माइनस करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, उस नंबर को हम बोलते हैं माइन्यूएंट, और जो नंबर हमको बड़े नंबर में से माइनस करना है, उस नंबर को हम बोलते हैं सब्ट्राहैंड, और इन दोनों का जो आंसर आता है, दैट इज नोन एज डिफरेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. Yes, now we are looking for the order, or we can see the properties of subtraction. Okay children, let's see how many properties are there in subtraction. So children, these are the subtraction facts, or we can say the properties of subtraction. Okay, so the first fact is, the first truth about subtraction is that when we subtract 0 from a number, the value of the number does not change. ओके, इट मीन्स कि जब कभी हम किसी भी नंबर में से ज़ीरो को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, माइनस करते हैं, रिड्यूस करते हैं, तो उस नंबर की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है. लाइक इफ़ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 फ्रॉम 8, आई विल गेट 8 only. Likewise, if I subtract 0 from 96, the answer will remain 96. Clear? Now, our second fact is that when we subtract the number from itself, we get 0. जब कभी हम नंबर में से उसी नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमें आंसर 0 मिलता है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? लाइक when we subtract 9 from 9, we will get 0. When we subtract 32 minus 32, we will get 0. Okay, now the third property or subtraction fact is that when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. जब कभी हम किसी भी नंबर में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमें कौन सा नंबर मिलता है? हमें उसी का बिफोर नंबर मिल जाता है, या फिर उसका प्रेडिसेसर हमें मिल जाता है. प्रेडिसेसर और बिफोर मतलब उससे एक नंबर पहले वाला, प्रीवियस नंबर हमको मिल जाता है. इफ़ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम 26, आई विल गेट 25. In the same manner, if I will subtract 1 from 137, I will get 136. So, right students, so I am giving you the classwork of your maths chapter 3 subtraction in a PDF that you have to do in your notebook of maths, and please try to complete your work in very good handwriting and in proper formation of digits. Okay children, and please try to complete your work regularly on time, and take care of your parents also and help your parents. Okay children, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.